Classic versus classical. The terms classic and classical can have different meanings depending on the context in which they are used. Here are the general distinctions between the two. Classic. The term classic typically refers to something that is timeless, enduring, or of lasting significance. It is often used to describe works of literature, art, music, or design that have achieved a high level of excellence and have had a significant impact or influence over time. Classic works are recognized for their enduring qualities and are often considered exemplary or archetypal within their respective fields. For example, a classic novel refers to a literary work that has stood the test of time, such as Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen or To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. These books are regarded as classics due to their enduring popularity and literary merit. Classical. The term classical is more specific and typically refers to a particular style or period in the arts, particularly in music, literature, and art history. Classical works are associated with a specific era known as the classical period, which generally refers to ancient Greece and Rome, or the period in music from roughly 1750 to 1820. Classical music, for example, refers to compositions from the classical period characterized by clarity, balance, and symmetrical structure, with notable composers like Mozart, Beethoven, and Haydn. In art history, classical art refers to the art and architecture of ancient Greece and Rome, characterized by idealized forms, harmony, and a focus on balance and proportion. In summary, classic generally denotes something timeless and highly regarded across time, while classical refers to a specific style or period within the arts, particularly music, literature, and art history.